In question 9, we're given a pictogram. And the most important thing to look for is the key, because that tells you what each one of these pictures represents or stands for. So here we have one full circle is 1000 satellites. Now from there I can tell that half of a circle would be 500 and a quarter of a circle would be half of that, which is 250. Now how did I get that? Let me have a look. So I've got to do 500 divided by 2, and I like to write it as 500 divided by 2. So it's raining. 500 is getting wet, so we're going to build it a bus shelter, and the 500 has to go inside. That leaves the 2, which has to go outside. Now the question is, how many 2s are there in 5? There's 2 lots of 2, remainder 1, and the remainder I carry over to the next column. So how did I do that? Let me have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one group of 2. There's 2 groups of 2. So them 2 groups go there, and the remainder gets carried over. How many 2s are there in 10? There's 5. How many 2s are there in 0? There's 0. So that is our answer, 250. Now we need to work out the number of satellites in 2016. So we've got one full circle, which is 1000. Another full circle, which is another 1000. And finally we've got this. This is a quarter of a circle. And we figured out here that a quarter of a circle represents or stands for 250 satellites. So we're going to add another 250 satellites. So we need to add these 3 numbers. So the first column is 0. The second column is 5. The third column is 2. And the fourth column is 1 plus 1, which is 2. As before, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is our thousands. So it's 2,250.